Go me. Oh, hell no. Not me.
Eddie. Go. No cheating. Suck that nipple.
Go, babe.
Breathe through your nose.
And they got a hole in it.
Breathe through your nose. No, this is like completely stopped. All mobile. Trapper.
He disqualified. He took his This guy in the right here, in the black shirt.
P.
All right, we got a winner.
Who's at the bottom, bro?
Quinn was next.
There you go. Take the
All
one.
right. All right, so you come up here and pick your prize.
Oh, your prize?
Yes.
Oh, I ride slow, cruising down the highway going 65. I'm all alone inside my head trying to cook up that vibe. One day they gonna realize. I ride slow, cruising down the highway going 65. I'm all alone inside my head trying to cook up that vibe. I pop the top and release everything I got inside. They sleeping on me, but one day they gonna realize.
Woo! I don't know how well y'all could see that, but yeah, we got a ton of rain and also a few tornadoes the other day. Like I think it was like Thursday, and man, this is, you talking NC in February, and we're getting tornadoes and like bucket loads of rain. Like it's been flooded everywhere. Like I don't know what this summer's gonna hold, but this is not good. This is not looking good at all. But anyway, good day, good people. Today what we're gonna try to do is attempt to cut up the EJ1 a little bit more and try to get a little bit of weight off of it. I've never done this before, so I'm kind of gonna be conservative when I cut, just so I don't mess up too much of the integrity of the car. It's not like it's a full-blown like normal cars. It's supposed to be kind of a street car, so I'm not too worried if it gets a little bit, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but if it gets a little bit out of hand, I guess, I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, we're now on the way to Tractor Supply, and I'm gonna try out the propane heater, because the one I got, if you noticed in the last few videos, it kind of runs when it wants to. It's just so old, so I'm gonna just they got a nice little propane one for around 80 bucks, and then a tank of propane is like 35. So I'm gonna just try that out, and if it works great, then I'll keep using that. But if it does okay and not the best, then I'll probably end up just swapping it out before next winter comes. Alright, so we got us some heat now, hopefully. And got a little breakfast. Gonna fill up on that when I get home, and then we'll head out to the shop. Cam's thing is today at 1:30. I need to be there. So I gotta try to, I don't know, I gotta try to work something out, like, because I'm trying to go to that as well, which, if you don't know who Cam is, the next video y'all see, I'll probably talk a little bit more about him. And Cam is a longtime friend of mine, childhood friend of mine, that unfortunately last weekend lost his life to a fatal accident, to a fatal car accident. Not exactly sure about the circumstances behind it. You know, he could have been ducking a deer or anything, but I know Cam could drive, so you know, I'm not thinking it was an error just on his part. I'm thinking it had to been something else, you know. But unfortunately, we lost a good one, and he actually had helped me with my crank boat on the CB7 when I was doing that swap. So like anytime I needed a man, and it goes for anybody he knew, anytime you needed him, he would pull up, man. He would, wherever he was at, he would be like, yo, give me 45 minutes, give me 30 minutes, I'll be there. So yeah, he left a big hole in a lot of our hearts and stuff. So they're having a little ride out thing today at they want us there at 1:30 because it starts at 2. So I'm gonna probably video all of that and make a video out of that too. Probably drive Jeremy's 4-wheeler, Jeremy's 700, and yeah, just go out there and pay our respects to him, because the guy, man, he would help you at any time you need it. So I can only, like, I gotta help him, man. I gotta look out for his family and stuff, and donate a little money and whatnot. I got to, but that was my boy. So yeah, but we're on our way to the house, and we're gonna eat, and I'm gonna set this propane stuff up, and we'll see how good this heater works. So we are back in the shop now. We don't have much time because we gotta leave in about an hour, so I'm gonna just jump right into it and try to get some of this webbing cut out and see how far we can get. As you can see, I got this little baby running. It's not all that cold outside right now, but I already could tell I don't really like this thing. It's a little bit scary with this propane, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, it's working. So I gotta turn it down to 2 right now. So yeah, it's putting out some heat though, but it's a little sketch, I ain't gonna lie. But let's see if we can jump right on in this Civic and get going. I may take and extend this cut up to this little hole back here and like maybe come across here, and I may take my cutoff wheel and like where these little indentations where clips used to go, I may just like cut between here and there, here and there, here and there, and like widen it out just a little bit more. And that should be more than enough, and probably clean up this a little bit down the sides and stuff, and that should be pretty good for the insides here. And then in the trunk you got some webbing back there. I'm gonna cut all of that stuff out as well, and that should be good. Cut whatever this little bracket here is, try to get that cut out, and cut these little brackets that the seat would mount to, cut those out, and just try to get rid of anything that I'm not going to be using back here, as well as lightening it up just a hair at the same time. Okay, so that leaves a nice bit of opening here. So yeah, what we'll do is we'll probably take a little bit more of this out, and yeah, that should be plenty for the inside. Then I'm gonna try to cut around here and connect to this speaker hole. These things already look like, look at it, look like somebody was prying at them before. So yeah, we'll try to cut across here and yeah, kind of hollow that out a little bit, and we should be good. All right, so this is pretty much what I got so far. Basically just cut all the like the fins, like the support systems inside of it out. I'm debating on how far I should go with this top. I think I may really need to get a some type of strut brace before I cut this top section out, just because I don't know how wavy the car gonna get once I lose that much of the stability, because this kind of goes from side to side. So I don't know if I'm gonna cut that out just yet till I can find me a strut bar. But I'm gonna off camera, I'm gonna clean up this a little bit more and try to get rid of the jagged edges on the sides. But yeah, I took the grinder, I cut all the way across the top on both sides, then I went all the way down and took as much material as I felt I should take out. And I know people gut theirs a whole lot worse than this, but I'm also gonna be doing the doors, so I don't have to take a whole lot out. I'm just trying to lighten it up just enough to help me out a little bit. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. It's coming out really good. So like I said, I'm off camera, I'm gonna clean these up with a grinding wheel or a flap disc and make these edges a little bit smoother. And yeah, we should be getting a little bit closer to having this body ready for paint. I'm gonna probably just clean this interior out, like shop vac it out and wipe it down or something, and then I'm gonna probably just shoot this interior with the flat black like I did my bumper with a couple videos ago. And I think that'll just look really sick, because I'm still in the air about the color. I kind of really want the Nardo gray, but it's kind of a popular color, so I'm not sure exactly what color I'm gonna go with. But yeah, either way, the inside being black will match either way. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We got our bucket here and we're collecting as much as we pull out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. Cam's thing is in about an hour or two, so I'm gonna go get ready and drive down to my parents so that we can get the ATV and we'll ride out there. Probably take the GoPro for that and just film as much as I can, 'cause I know it's gonna probably be a good little turnout for that. So yeah, with that being said, we're continuing the progress on the H2B. I will catch y'all in the next one. As always, make sure y'all liking this stuff. Make sure you subscribing if you're new. And remember, respect all bills. Peace out.